Honeywell Home HC26P Whole House Humidifier Pad, Paper, by Honeywell is one of the best sellers among baby accessories products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Maximize your comfort. Relax in a more comfortable home by optimizing your humidifier with the Paper Honeywell Home Whole House Humidifier Pad. Effective distribution. Distributes moisture more evenly and thoroughly throughout your home to deliver the full benefits of your home humidifier. Captures particles that cause illness. Antimicrobial coating works to reduce airborne bacteria and prevent mold, fungus, and algae and bacteria from spreading around your home. Maintenance. Change twice a year to maximize the effectiveness of your humidifier. Compatibility. Compatible with Honeywell Home Humidifier models H200, H250, H260, H265, H280, H300, H360, and H365. Dimensions 10 by 13 by 15 inches. Breathe easy and get the most out of your home humidifier with the Honeywell Home Whole House Humidifier Pad. These effective pads distribute moisture more evenly and thoroughly throughout your home. Antimicrobial coating works to reduce airborne bacteria and prevent mold, fungus, and algae and bacteria from spreading. Reliable Honeywell Whole House humidifiers work with your home furnace to maintain a proper, comfortable humidity level throughout the home. A Honeywell humidifier pad is specially designed to spread moisture evenly and should be changed twice per heating season to maximize comfort.